So for us, we're going to see heavy rain starting late Sunday and into next week. But for now, what a great afternoon. I mean, stunning all the way from Jensen Beach into Delray Beach, down into Jupiter and over into Jupiter Beach. Boca looks good. Port St. Lucie, you look good. PBIA if you're flying in or out. All is stable. We do have some showers and storms north of Sebastian. Nothing more than maybe a light sprinkle inland here. So looks good. We got stability for the most part. I can't rule out a fast moving shower today, but overall it's going to be dry. Upper 80s in Vero Beach to 90 in Port St. Lucie, heading down through Stewart, 90 in Jupiter, 87 out at the airport. So we're going to hold the line with this. We got 90 in South County from Boynton down into Boca. 90, 91, really just steady throughout the course of the afternoon. Inland, maybe the upper 80s, but a slight chance of a shower and overall partly cloudy skies. So if you're going to Clematis by night tonight, it's looking good for that. But check out these weather headlines. Impact next week. We're going to start it late Sunday, head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday with that yellow weather icon, meaning that we're going to see cooler conditions. But don't get too excited. It's going to be an exchange. And one of the reasons we're going to be cooler is not only a front, but sadly that front catches in this tropical moisture. And so we're going to see downpours intermittently and lots of cloud cover as we head into next week. But until then, the first half of your weekend's looking pretty good. We'll have that average sort of garden variety chance of showers and storms at about 40% as we head through. Low 90s today, upper 80s to low 90s heading into Friday and Saturday. Sunday, 87, a chance of showers and storms late, but I don't think it'll be anything really at that point to change plans over. But as we hit to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the models are indicating more of a mass or a plume of tropical moisture that is just going to very slowly move through. So in other words, with that front, it's going to be a very deliberate mover, and that's why we're going to be dealing with this for a while. And it's all sort of instigated from this area of low pressure, which is just really incredibly broad and unorganized. Still, part of it's in the northwestern Caribbean, part of it's trying to enter the Gulf. 30% chance that it develops. Whether it does or not, it doesn't matter because we're still going to get the influence as that low eventually rides across South Florida. So a couple, lows will be in the Gulf. All that moisture will be stirred up. So not likely to develop. There's just a slight chance, but either way, we're going to get affected. Hurricane Kurt, meanwhile, we get a reprieve from this one, and it's a good thing because it's a major hurricane, going to be Category 4 in the next day or so, but it gets swept out to sea. This is a fish storm, the way we like them. And then behind that, we have tropical storm Leslie. Leslie, again, is a non-starter at this point for South Florida, still moving west across the open tropical Atlantic, eventually becomes a hurricane, but models again want to skew it a little bit further north and away from the U.S. Isolated rain for beach and boating today, 1 to 2 feet with the seas. Everything looks really steady, so you're not going to have a problem with that. We have our next tide, low tide. That's when you get the maximum amount to beach to enjoy, and you saw everybody out enjoying it today. You're going to be fine throughout the course of the afternoon.